Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Zita. Today I have this look for you. It's my everyday makeup look. It's very glowy, it's very natural. Not in terms of makeup, there was a lot of makeup involved, but I mean, I kept the eye very, calm, and I just wanted to give out a more radiant, dewy look, and I hope you enjoy it. Welcome to my channel. It's my very first video. I've been watching so many YouTube gurus for so many years, and I finally decided, you know what, with the help of my family and friends, I decided I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna go for it. So here it is, and I hope you love it. I'm going to quickly exfoliate my lips with my e.l.f. coconut lip exfoliator, and I'm going to keep that on for a few minutes. And I'm going to dab that in and just exfoliate with my fingers for a little bit. Then I'm going to take my Skin Drink H2O by Pixi, and I'm going to put that all over my face. This is a really, really good hydrating gel for you if you have really dry skin. I'm going to take my Clinique Daytime Revitalizing Moisturizer. This is a really light moisturizer for anyone that has oily skin, dry skin. It's really good, and I'm just going to pat that all over my skin. I'm going to depuff my eyes with my Physicians Formula Depuffer. It's one of my favorites. And I'm going to pat that under my eyes. Now I'm going to just remove that exfoliator I used earlier. I'm using my Rock lip balm. This is one of the most amazing lip balms ever. It's not a wax, it's a cream formula. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm using a light brown on Kuo, and I'm gonna just fill my eyebrows in very lightly. This is a light eyebrow look, so I'm definitely not gonna go too hard on it. I would have used my Anastasia pomade, but I decided not to do that. I'm taking my ColourPop medium tan, and I'm going to just outline my eyebrows just to clean it up a little bit. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Superstay foundation in golden, and I'm going to just put that all over my face using a kabuki brush. I'm going to go in with my Lumi Glow from L'Oreal, and I'm going to put that on my forehead, on my chin, and my cheeks, and I'll buff that in with my kabuki brush. I'm going to just buff everything all together with my foundation and my Lumi L'Oreal drops with a foundation brush. I'm taking my ColourPop concealer in tan, and I'll be putting that underneath my eyes, my chin, and my mustache area. And I'm taking my medium tan underneath my eyes and the bridge of my nose, as well as a little bit on my chin and my forehead. This is just gonna highlight the front of your face and give it a bit of a dimension. I'm taking my EcoTools sponge, and I'm going to be blending from downwards to up. So I'm going to be blending my chin, and then my mustache area, my nose, and then my forehead. And then I'm going to take my time blending underneath my eyes. It's very important, just so that it doesn't crease and you're not left with a odd number of color. I'm taking my favorite loose powder. It's Fit Me from Maybelline, and it's light medium. And I'll be just putting that baking underneath my eyes, my nose, my smile area, which are my wrinkles. I mostly get wrinkles around that area, so I always have to bake. I'm taking my Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and I'm taking the lightest brown on that palette, and I'm putting that all over my lid with a blending brush. This blending brush is from the Naked Urban Decay 2 palette, I just really love it. I'm really sorry you can't see the color I'm pointing at. I didn't realize that it's out of the frame, but I'm taking the light brown shade from that palette and I'm putting it all over my lid. This is going to be a really simple eye look. Right now I'm taking the Burgundy bar from Maybelline and I'm taking the lightest shimmer shade and I'm putting that on the inner part of my lid. I'm taking my foundation brush that I used earlier and I'm just gonna be brushing off all of my bake under my eyes and all over my face. Now to just blend everything together, I'm gonna be just brushing it all over my face, and I'm gonna take my EcoTools sponge and I'll be just dabbing underneath my eyes just to make sure there are no wrinkles. I'm taking this color right here on my Burgundy palette and I'm just highlighting my brow bones. I'm going to be also taking that same color and I'll be just going over the first time that I put in to my inner corner lid, and I'm just highlighting my inner corners right now. This is just going to give you a wide awake look. I'm taking this lighter shade, which is a beautiful highlight shade, and I'm putting that in my inner corner. I'm taking my Essence liquid liner. This is one of my favorite liquid liners and it's literally the cheapest and it does an amazing job. It lasts for a long time and it is also waterproof. I'm going to be curling my lashes with my uemura eyelash curler. This is one of the best eyelash curlers I've ever used in my life. It curls your lashes and it keeps it up all day and all night. I'm going to be taking my Marcel Lash Volume Mascara and I'll be coating my lashes with it. This is my favorite mascara ever. It's so good. It gives such a perfect volume. Now I'll be bronzing and contouring my face with my favorite bronzer. This is the one from Physicians Formula, the Butter Bronzer. And I'll be just going over my forehead and just around my face, the hollows of my cheeks. This is just gonna warm up my face. I'll be taking my blush from Burts called Toasted Cinnamon and I'll be just adding a little bit of color to my cheeks. I'm taking my favorite highlighter, the Master Chrome, and I'll be applying that on the temples of my cheeks, the sides of my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow, as well as my chin. I'm going in with my Vasanti lip liner and I'll just be covering my entire lips with just that lip liner because I'll be keeping my lips simple today. No lipstick today, just that lip liner. And it's called Brown Sugar. And last but not least, I'll be setting my face with my favorite setting spray by Pixi, and this one is the Glow Mist. And that's the look. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe the video and leave a comment below of what you'd like to see next. Thank you!